Did you know that every shadow you see is actually a doorway to understanding the darkest parts of the human nature? Throughout history, the most powerful stories have never been about the light we chase, but about the darkness we try to escape. The shadows reveal what we hide from ourselves and others. In ancient mythology, shadows were believed to hold pieces of the soul. Vikings thought losing your shadow meant losing your spirit forever. Modern psychology proves they were closer to truth than we imagined. Every famous figure in history carried shadows that shaped their destiny. The artist who painted beauty while drowning in despair. The leader who saved nations while destroying themselves. The genius who solved mysteries but could never solve their own broken mind. These shadows follow patterns. They whisper the same secrets across centuries. They show us that beneath every triumph lies a tragedy. Beneath every hero lives a human struggling with forces they cannot control. The question is not whether you have shadows. The question is whether you are brave enough to look into them and discover what they are trying to tell you about who you really are.